In the production of welded pipes, the seam is the most critical factor. If the weld fails, the pipe fails. It is the manufacturer's duty to control that weld inline, in real time. Ensuring absolute integrity exactly at the weld line is the only way to guarantee a leak-proof product. Even the smallest irregularity in the welding process can create flaws invisible to the naked eye, which ultimately lead to catastrophic leaks once the product is in the field. To guarantee zero leaks, you need inspection technology that targets the source. Eddywise introduces segment coil solution for inline weld seam inspection. Designed to focus exclusively on the weld zone, our segment coils deliver maximum sensitivity where it matters most. As the tube moves continuously down the line, the seam is scanned in real time. Defects are detected instantly, and compromised sections are automatically marked for removal before the tube is even cut. Integrated seamlessly into your workflow with full MES connectivity, every inch of your weld is logged and traceable. Reduce scrap and deliver absolute confidence to your customers. Want to learn how our NDT solutions can improve your production line? Reach out to our team for a custom consultation or technical inquiry. Eddywise, innovative NDE solutions.